Hello, my name is Jay and welcome to Jay is Korean. This is part 2 of learning useful phrases from the new Korean drama Do You Like Brahms? As always, this video has zero spoilers, so none of the lines or scenes that I talk about have anything to do with the storyline. Let's get right into it.
누구 마중 나오셨어요?
네, 친구가 와서. 친구요, 남사친. 그러니까 그냥 남자인 친구. 아, 누구 마중 나오셨어요?
저도 친구요.
아,
So these two ran into each other at the airport and they're each waiting separately for their own friends and are making small talk.
누구 마중 나오셨어요?
누구 마중 나오셨어요? So the first part here is very easy. 누구. It means who. But the second part is a bit harder. 마중 나오셨어요? 마중 나오다. This is an expression very similar to the one we learned back in part 1, where I talked about the expression 모시러 가다. 모시러 가다 is to go pick someone up, but I told you that it's a very formal expression only used for people older or people who you've never met before. But here, 마중 나오다, 마중 나가다 are expressions you can use for your friends or people younger as well. 마중 나가다, 마중 나오다 means to go pick up, to go and greet somebody. For instance, if you're having someone over, but they can't seem to find your place, so they call you and say, I can't seem to find your building, you can say, 내가 마중 나갈게. 내가 마중 나갈게 means, I'll go out to greet you. I'll go out to find you. I'll go pick you up. 누구 마중 나오셨어요 means, who are you here to pick up? Who are you here for?
네, 친구가 와서.
친구가 와서. Oh, my friend came. 친구. 친구 means friend. 와서 means he came. Oh, my friend came. Oh, my friend's about to arrive. And then here,
친구요, 남사친. 그러니까 그냥 남자인 친구.
she's emphasizing the fact that he's just a friend, not someone she has romantic feelings for. So she said, 친구요, 남사친. 그냥 남자인 친구. So 남사친 is an emphasis of a male friend. It means a male friend who I am in no way romantically connected with. It stands for 남자, 사람, 친구. 남사친.
남사친.
남자 is man. 사람 is human. 친구 is friend. 남자, 사람, 친구 is literally translated into man, human, friend. So she's really trying to emphasize to him that it's just a friend. She then asks him the same question.
아, 누구 마중 나오셨어요?
And he answers,
저도 친구요. 저도 친구요.
저도 친구요. 저도 means me too. 친구요 means a friend. He's saying, I'm here to pick up a friend as well. I'm here to wait for a friend as well.
누구 마중 나오셨어요?
네, 친구가 와서. 친구요, 남사친. 그러니까 그냥 남자인 친구. 아, 누구 마중 나오셨어요?
저도 친구요.
Because the scene was so short, I'm going to be adding one more scene in this video.
저 여기 앉아도 돼요?
그럼요. 얼마든지. 예.
저 여기 앉아도 돼요?
저 여기 앉아도 돼요?
저 means me, I. 여기 means here. 여기, here. 앉아도. 앉다 means to sit. 돼요? Something 해도 돼요 means could I, can I, am I allowed to? 저 여기 앉아도 돼요 means can I sit here? Can I take a seat?
그럼요. 얼마든지. 예. 그럼요. 얼마든지. 예.
그럼요. 얼마든지. 그럼요 is yes, of course. 얼마든지 is as you wish. Of course, it adds the nuance that, she's free to do whatever she wants. This is a really good expression to know because, for example, if you go to a cafe and there's only one table left and there's someone sitting there already, but there's plenty of seats at the table, so you want to ask, can I sit here? Could I sit here with you? You can say, 저 여기 앉아도 돼요? And if they say, 그럼요, 얼마든지. Or if they answer 앉으세요. 네, 앉으세요. Then you know to feel free to sit down with them.
저 여기 앉아도 돼요?
그럼요. 얼마든지. 예.
And I think I'm gonna wrap it up right here. Always keep in mind that I'm only picking the useful phrases from the drama so that you can actually go out and use these in your daily lives. Make sure you're watching this and reviewing these expressions constantly. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll be coming back with part 3 very soon, so make sure you're tuning in if you want to continue learning some useful phrases from the drama Do You Like Brahms? Thank you for taking the time to learn Korean with JS Korean, and as always, please let me know if there's anything I should change or add to my videos to make them a little more helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.